What?
10 seconds or less. Why should you watch Flipping 101?
To learn how to turn $1 into $100.
$100?
Join us on the road to go and land more, make more. Got the spirit of an entrepreneur, always trying to maneuver and find more ways of getting cheddar and keep the money coming in forever, ever, forever. Entrepreneurs, yeah, yeah.
Hey guys, and welcome back. This is Matthew, Flipping 101. If you're new to the channel, pretty much what we do is we go around and we do whatever we can to make some money. There's about 4 or 5 of us that do this. So we go around and we pretty much do whatever we can. We flip metal, we sell on eBay, we sell on a marketplace, we're opening up a booth. We're doing a little bit of everything really just to kind of get the ball rolling for the entrepreneur stuff. But recently I decided that my intro wasn't good. I mean, nothing really was good because I don't know anything about film editing. So what I did was I went onto Fiverr and I hired some people to do my intro song, my actual intro, my outro, and I also hired somebody to kind of promote the page, try to get me to 1,000 views because I was at, like in the hundreds. So let me show you guys how it went. Honestly, a little better than I expected, a little cheaper than I expected. The quality was really good for people that weren't even in this country. I mean, I looked at these people's profiles and they're not from this country, and I mean, they did an incredible job. Some of these people went above and beyond to help me. And I mean, if you're watching this, you already saw the new intro, the new logo. This will be the first for all that. So hopefully you guys like it. If you have any input, just let me know. If you think that I should be doing something better, let me know. But pretty much this is just a video showing you how I improved my YouTube page with Fiverr, with the use of Fiverr. And I'm gonna be showing you bit by bit kind of what I did. I got the idea for the video a little late, so I didn't record a lot of it. So I'm kind of going back on screen recordings and stuff. I'm gonna be showing you guys, and hopefully you get a little bit of knowledge of what Fiverr can do for you, because I only spent the money for the 1,000 likes or the 1,000 hours views, and there's actually people that go out there and they'll monetize your whole channel. They will get your whole channel monetized, and it's just it's awesome. So here's the video. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you like what I'm putting out. Tell me what you don't like if you don't like what I'm putting out, but don't put a thumbs down because I don't like that. Without further ado, here's the video. Okay, this is Zahid Designs. These are the people that actually designed the logo for me. Zahid Designs, they were awesome. They didn't talk a whole lot. I'm sure it was a English barrier, language barrier, but I sent them over pretty much what I wanted. They sent me over 2 designs. I said I liked the first one, but I wanted it in red. Can you do Flipping 101 in brighter colors? I didn't say red. I liked the first one though. He said, please check this out, and he put it in red. I said, yeah, that's the money. That's fine. Thank you. He said, I will deliver the required files. See you soon. I said, thank you. That was awesome. So this is Stones Mohoid. This is the guy that actually did my intro, rap hip-hop style. I said, I need a quick intro, hip-hop style on my YouTube page, flipping. Basically, we just learn. Me on pages being an entrepreneur. Basically, me and a few others go out there and try to find new ways to make money. And I guess he looked through all my design things. This is me flipping back through. He said, hello. I never sent the beat, so now I never sent a beat. I didn't notice that, but I guess I had to send the money for a beat. He said he'll do a discount price of 15. I said, what kind of idea? Do you know what you're going to do? He said, yes, I do. I said, how long is it going to be? I don't want it to be too long. I don't know how to send 15 either. Send me directions. And he said, just tell me how long you need it. Okay, give me a second. I said, the one that we have is 17 seconds. This is the one that we have. If any of you guys have watched any of the old videos, this is our old one that we had in. I did this myself. I didn't think it was too bad, honestly. I liked it. So it's just me and Roman Sosa playing with the Redskins and Cowboys dolls. It's pretty much in and out. I sent it to him. He said, okay, I could work with that. I sent the extra $15. How long do you think it will take by chance? And he said about 20 to 25 seconds. And I said, nah, I mean the product, bro. And he said it will take a day or less. He said, off to the studio now. I said, awesome, thank you. Any news? This is the next day. He said, very nice. Can you send me lyrics, please? I guess after he sent me this. And these are the lyrics to the song. I'll put the song up right now for you guys.
Us on the road to go and land more, make more. Got the spirit of an entrepreneur, always trying to maneuver and find more ways of getting cheddar and get the money coming in forever, ever, forever. Entrepreneurs, yeah.
Says, already, did you post info next YouTube page? Is it okay if I post all your info? And he said, yeah, it's cool with me. So I'm gonna throw up all this guy's info for you guys. Hopefully you could use him. This is Wide Geek. I used Wide Geek to get me 1,000 hours on YouTube. They did an awesome job for me. The person was more than happy. He said that he just wanted a video about an hour long, so I was able to do that, no problem. I sent him over my video about the gold. It was a little bit under an hour. So let's see. The guy was really nice. I guess he'd been burned before. I'll show you guys some of that video here in just a second. But he said, hello, dear. Thank you for your order. And I sent him my watch time at the time. It was 438 minutes on just that video that I'd sent over. And total, I had 1,371 minutes in watch time. So I wasn't doing too bad. We've only been up for a month, but you know me, I'm always trying to hurry up and get things done faster than they need to be done. He said, how does this work exactly? Should I wait till I post more content? Also, my longest video is just a few minutes short of an hour. I hope that's not an issue. He says, thank you very much, Jared. I will submit your video for watch time. I hope that will work fine too. So I guess he don't know. He said, hello, dear. I just would like to tell you that your video has been submitted and you'll start to receive traffic in 1 to 2 days. I actually started getting traffic right away, guys. And so this is the next day. He's like, can you send me a screenshot? This is really early in the morning, so I sent him the wrong screenshot. 692. This is what I sent mid-AI as it was growing. So it was growing pretty fast the day before, and I sent it all to mid-AI. And this is where it says the process has been started. And I guess he was disappointed with what he got, and then he looked and he said, hello, the screenshot you have sent me is old and not updated. And mind you, this is 5:20 a.m. You could see that in the morning, so I'm still kind of out there. And I send him again the wrong thing. This is obviously the wrong thing. You can't see any hours. And he's like watch time went way up. And I send him the right one. This is where I send him the right one. 13,100 minutes. I said, thank you very much. Oh, he said, thank you very much. I kindly ask you to check the attachment. And then he's like 13,100. I guess he was just checking to see if I was trying to rip him off. I wasn't. But it's a good thing. I guess he's been burned before. The videos reached 13,100 minutes, which is 218 hours. The process will continue until you get 60,000 minutes. Awesome. Thank you so much. I'm doing a video on growing my YouTube channel, Fiverr. Can I include your information? You're more than welcome. Sure, you can include my profile on Fiverr. I'm going to add that. The 14th of December, he's going to be a level 1. And I said, awesome. I'll make sure to include that. So now you know he's a level 1. Thank you very much. Dear friend, after one day, I'd be thankful if you sent me a screenshot. So this is screenshot that he sent me. And let's see what the screenshot says. Screenshot says 1,530 views. Those are just the views. Are you finders safe? Asking for more screenshots. This is the screenshot. I had 35,700 minutes, and this is after 2 days with this guy. So this guy does an amazing job, amazing job. Got 595 hours, which is about 59.5% of the job done. Oh dear, this is urgent. I guess he had problems with his system, so he didn't know if it was working, and he saw that I was already at 44,900, and he's like, oh, I guess it's It didn't affect you at all. He said, thank you very much. I'm facing a problem with the server. I'm trying to fix it. He said, do you remember the channel I stained? And this is pretty much just him showing me what he's done and how he's helped other people. And the customers left reviews on the profile. He's making sure I'm leaving him a review, of course. You've done more than expected. I told him I'm going to make sure to give you a review. Thank you very much. You do your best to serve and get your channel monetized. Hello, dear. How are you today? Could you please update me with the screenshot? So I think this is the day before the last day. This is 5:05 a.m. They're on different time limits. So over there, it's like 5 o'clock in the afternoon. And I don't know if I go into those. Do I go into those? Pop. I didn't. Okay, thank you. You got 903 hours. So I was already at 903 hours. He said, thank you very much. You cannot imagine, because the customer did not want to accept the delivery. So that's where you got burned before. Yes, I will continue giving you positive feedback. That's me confirming. Thank you very much. And after your permission, I will deliver the order in 11 hours without asking for a screenshot, because I believe that the 90 hours will be delivered. Yeah, that's perfect. Yes, that's fine. You are very welcome. So these people did a good job. These are the people that created my intro. Okay, this lady went above and beyond for me. As you'll see, I kind of just sent her over the video that I had gotten over from the guy that did my intro song, and she's going through. Let's see. She let me know if you need anything. Thank you. Could you send me the PNG? Let me know if you guys know what PNG version was, because I did not know what that was. And I did get that with my original logo. So did you get the audio? The audio is 38 seconds long, but I can cut it into your intro. And I mean, I liked my intro song, so I didn't want to change it. Flipping 101, is that the transparent copy? Okay, but I think it won't have the same appeal. And the file you just sent over is not the JPG. Do you have YouTube video? Pretty much I didn't have enough video footage, and I'm asking her, please, will you go through my videos and just dissect and tell me what you think? And she says, yeah, I'll do it. It's just going to take a bit more time. And I'm saying, how much more is it going to cost? And said it's going to be free. And so, I mean, that's awesome in itself that she went out of her way and she did it for free. This is what she came up with. I don't know if you guys have already... Oh, obviously, you've already seen this. If you got this far in the video, you've already seen it. I found the PNG version. Oh, no, this is just me finding the PNG version. And so I found it, and I sent it over. They sent me over the thing. I'll include that. And so, you know, guys, how you go to the store and they're like, hey, do you want some fries with your burger? Pretty much she asked me if I wanted some fries with my burger. She said, I don't want you to do the intro if you're not going to do the outro. So for another $25, I'll do the outro for you. And I was like, hell yeah, that'll work. And this is the outro that she came up with me for me. So it wasn't too bad. I liked it. The whole process, the person was very nice. So I didn't mind paying the little bit of extra to get that little bit of extra work done. Let me see. This is how much I spent, guys. I will get you a screenshot of how much I spent total on the calculator, because I'm horrible at math. So that was my experience with Fiverr. I don't have anything bad to say. I got everything I needed. I needed a logo. I needed a song. I needed an intro. And I didn't even know I needed an outro when I got that. So I got 4 things out of Fiverr for the $150. I got subscribers. Well, I didn't get subscribers, but I got view time. I got over 1,000 hours of view time. So I'm over a quarter of the way to where I need to be monetized. Right now I'm at, I think, 22 subscribers, which isn't much, but I mean, if you guys are watching me, you guys are watching me. So that always works for me. Natural, organic views, I got maybe 1,500 minutes. So that ain't a whole lot of organic feed coming through. Hopefully that changes in the future. I'm just going to keep on doing what we're doing. We got a metal video coming up and a bunch of other things coming up for you guys. So I mean, I'm not short of ideas. We're just short of time to actually get it done. Like I said, this is my experience with Fiverr. I don't know if it's going to work for you. It worked for me. Like I said, what works for me might not work for you, and what works for you might not work for me. But I had a good experience, and let me know if you guys want to see me pay the $200 to get monetized completely, because that's something that is an option out there. So thank you guys for tuning in. I know it wasn't a very long video, very, I guess, amusing video, but it's just what I got through. I liked it. So don't forget to leave me a thumbs up if you get the chance. Tell me what your point of view is on paying for subscribers. Tell me if you've ever paid for subscribers, if you ever used Fiverr, if you've ever had a negative experience with Fiverr. Go ahead and let me know in the comments. And I guess that's it for now. Thank you.